opposite day is my favorite! Wanna play?
Up and down! Big and small. Look at Clara compared to a tiny ladybug. Fast and slow. Watch Splash zoom by, while Clara takes her time.
Happy? And that's Renadad. Cold! This sunny rock is warm, but this shady one is nice and cool. Speaking of opposites, look at the sky.
And day and night, bright and busy, then quiet and calm. It was your favorite. Let's remember them all. Up, down, big, small, fast, slow, happy, sad, hot, cold, day, night. Learning opposites is so much fun when you get to act them all out. Thanks for playing Opposite Day with us. Can you show a grown-up small right now? Subscribe to Bloop Town for a new learning adventure every week. See you next time, friends!